And on the right hand side, all the way from China, from Limitless IQ, give it up for Super. And on the right hand side, all the way from Canada, from Spin Master, give it up for
Let's get ready to rumble!
Alright, you guys ready for round number one?
Round one. Fight!
Uh-oh, looks like Boxer's stuck. We're gonna start the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Round two. Fight!
Not bad. Not bad. Super Anthony is down. Both robots are down. So we're gonna start that count. 1, 2, 3.
That's kind of scary.
Are you ready for another round?
Fight! Round four.
Alright, guys, ready?
Fight!
Oh, Boxer's back up again. Granted, battery is exposed. Boxer's back up flat on again. We're gonna start the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ooh, and with that final blow, looks like Super Anthony is the winner. Now, if you guys want to see anybody else fight, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching and see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.